Hello, everybody. We were supposed to have a family fun night tonight. However, with COVID restrictions, we were not able to have that. So instead, we sent every kid home today with a science activity that you can do at home. All the equipment is there for you to do. And we even gave you some take home activity directions, a QR code to watch it in person, and then also some questions to ask your kids at home and the directions as well. So this just gives you an activity that you can do at home together with your family and kind of talk about the science activity. And then also, if you're like me, I have several children here that I ask, how is school today? And I get a good, or I get, what did you learn today? And they say nothing, and I know they learned something. So this gives you some great conversation starters that you can use with your kids to kind of get them to open up a little bit more and give you more than just a one-word response when you're having conversations with them, and how important that is, talking to our kids daily. And at the bottom, we had a boo-boo where we got that on a different piece of paper and did not send that home to you. So we're going to post the PDF for you to be able to see the rest of that document. But we hope that you're able to enjoy this activity in place of our family fun night for this time, and we're hoping that we'll be able to do it all together next time in the building. But until then, enjoy your science activity at home as you learn more about centripetal force. Have a great day.